Welcome back, guys and gals. We are ready to start to fold the fairings that go on the front of the Seaview submarine. I hope you're enjoying what we've done so far. And if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. What we're going to do, again, is fold these. It's going to take a while because we're going to be doing some connections that are going to be under a lot of stress. So in between, I'm going to build a temporary cradle for the base of the model so that we can put the rear on and start doing some of our detailing to the sub itself too. So we'll be doing a few things concurrent here today. Hope you enjoy, and here we go. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. As you can see, we're starting to get things mocked up. You're going to see some minor imperfections and gaps, and you'll see, again, we talked before, and I'll say again, these areas where you see the intersections and you see white, like a joint, we'll be camouflaging all that later, and I'll show you how we'll do that. As you can see, the fans here, fairings, these will be fitting in like this to go around. All right. We still got our nose that we're going to be putting in. As you can see, it's got some points too that'll have to be camouflaged. We've got our interior that we're going to start, and it's going to fit into this nose area here. Let's see. We've still got our fins to do at the back, and we've got these propulsion units that need to be shaped to go into place. As you can see, I just made a makeshift stand here that collapsed on me a couple of times. We'll have a display stand we're going to make up for later. And again, it looks pretty rough, but it is a beta build. And I think when we're done, we can camouflage enough of the mistakes made along the way. All right. I hope y'all are having a great holiday. Please like, share, and subscribe. We look forward to doing this again for you here real soon and get this sucker finished up. I think everybody needs one of these on the shelf. Have a good one. And again, thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe.